Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want to delete a video you posted on Snapchat? It's easy. Follow this simple step so that you could delete your Snapchat story. So let's get started. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, go to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Now scroll down to your story section where your videos and snaps are saved. Find the video you want to delete. Tap on it to open the full screen. In the top right corner, tap the three dots to open the options menu. Select the delete from the menu. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Tap delete again to confirm. And that's it. Your video has been deleted. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos.